Are you tired of being glued to your smartphone? Do you want to learn new ways to interact with technology? Well, look no further, as in today's video, I'm going to show you a revolutionary device built to replace your smartphones. Before we dive further into the video, make sure to show some love by clicking the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more AI content. The former designer of Apple, 𝗪𝗵𝘁 𝗪𝗵𝘁, is a British-American designer who played a crucial role in shaping the user interfaces of some of Apple's most iconic products, including the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and many more. He worked at Apple for over 2 decades, from 1995 to 2017. After leaving Apple, he co-founded the technology product design company Humane, along with his wife, Bethany, who was also a former director at Apple for iOS and Mac OS software. They both left Apple with the ambition to start their own venture. Recently, they revealed their first product, Humane AI Pin. The Humane AI Pin is a small, wearable device. It has 2 pieces, the computer and the battery booster. Both of these pieces have a magnet inside that allows you to connect them to your clothes. This little device is packed with powerful AI technology that helps you do everything you can do on your smartphone, and more without the need for a screen. This device comes in 3 different colors.
Got Eclipse, Lunar, and Equinox.
Now the question arises, how to interact with it? Well, your engagement comes through your voice, touch, gesture, and lasering display. With all that being said, let's now move to the eye of this gadget, which is an ultra-wide RGB camera. If you want to take pictures with it, just double-tap or video capturing every moment of your beautiful life. It also has this parsonic speaker.
It can be really intimate, or it can be really loud.
If your gadget ever runs out of battery, all you need to do is swap the battery, and that's how you can use your device for as long as you want to. We also heard from Humane that this AI pin doesn't support apps, meaning you don't have to download any applications, which is crucial for safety and security. The device doesn't rely on third-party apps or cloud services, which minimizes the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Additionally, the AI pin features a dedicated privacy chip that manages sensor data and ensures that the device is only active when the user is actively engaging with it. This prevents the device from constantly listening or recording, reducing the potential concerns of people. It's another cool feature is Translate that allows users to translate languages in real time. This is indeed a powerful tool that can break down language barriers and connect people from all over the world. It's exciting to think that AI-powered translation tools could one day be able to translate any language with ease and accuracy. This would open up a world of possibilities for communication and collaboration. Right now, it can only translate Spanish to English and vice versa.
Estamos casi listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
Great. I can't wait. Thanks so much.
Genial. No puedo esperar. Muchas gracias.
But in the future, it might be able to translate any language as we please. In addition to that, this AI pin will play a crucial role in improving people's health by tracking people's food intake and recognizing objects.
How much protein?
These almonds have 15 grams of protein.
Great. And later I can ask, how much protein have I had today?
You have had 22 grams of protein today.
Now the question raises, how does it remember things? Well, it uses a combination of local storage and cloud-based storage to remember things. This means that some information is stored on the device itself, while other information is stored on Humane Hub Center. This approach helps to balance the need for privacy with the need for functionality. Local storage is designed to store things like your voice and your recent interaction with the device, whereas cloud-based storage is used to store all your data, including your photos, videos, and notes in the Humane Center. The website aims to provide a central hub for information about AI safety and privacy. Before we end the video, here are a few points worth mentioning. This revolutionary device is not yet available for purchase, but you can pre-order it right now on the Humane website. The shipping will start in early 2024. So, for $6.99, you can be among the first to experience this futuristic AI technology. Now the questions that come to mind are, will this AI pin replace smartphones? Will 𝗪𝗵𝘁 and his team change the game in the world of personal technology? Share your thoughts in the comment below on this revolutionary AI technology. And that was it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video. If so, subscribe to the channel, and on top of that, smash the like button. With all that being said, I'm going to meet each and every single one of you down in the comment section below. Take care.